good morning everyone, good afternoon, and good evening. So as you can see, we have this amazing backdrop, the Bay Bridge. I didn't even film me getting gas, so I apologize. This video did not start as usual. Today's video is gonna be I don't even know what it's gonna be. It's kind of like a test for the camera. So I am running in 4K right now. Unfortunately, I don't have any monitors to edit this video in 4K, but hopefully you guys have some 4K TVs and laptops, and maybe the quality is a little bit better. I also doubled up on my windsocks, so if I seem like it's muffled, you know why. There's two windsocks on my microphone to kind of mitigate all this wind that we're having. But this is actually my first time down here by Treasure Island. Believe it or not, I've never been down here. I've actually got lost on this island when I first got to California. Actually, it was the first time I've started riding this bike. I rode it out here, and I got off at the Treasure Island exit, and I don't know where I was going. I got lost, and I literally had to look at my GPS, and it's a fucking island. There's only two ways to go. Anyway, as you can see, it is extremely fucking windy right now. Or as Norcal people say, it's hella windy. I'm sorry, I still hate that word. So, let's get this video started. I'm actually gonna take some pictures because this is actually a really dope spot. Alright, let's get out of here. Came down here because no one's really in this little spot. They just kept bypassing it, so I came down here, take a couple pictures, do the little intro for you, and there's someone that parks right next to me. Just like my father, wherever I want to be, someone else wants to be. Oh, new Supra. Still looks ugly. Come on guys, let's explore together. Exploration usually means getting lost. It actually is a really dope spot. I may have to come down here and shoot at night one time. No, I don't mean my guns. Basic pictures, but it is what it is, you know. Oh god, do you remember how insane it is? Like, those tugboats can push that big ass boat. Oh, this should be fun. I missed second again. Are you serious, dude? Yeah, thank you. Slamming on his, gets in his lane and then slams on his damn brakes. He was looking down at his little the little center screen on Teslas, that big ass, basically a laptop. Say technology. Always taking people's eyes off the road, especially with that car, since car can drive itself, so I know what street I'm supposed to turn on, but it's pretty hard to see them. Alright, so where I'm going right now is a park. It's closed, but I'm gonna try to get in anyway. I don't know, I literally just looked at Google Maps, put a waypoint. I just know it's way up there. God, it's like trying to turn and having the wind blow you the opposite way. It's ridiculous. God, these tires are amazing. It would be nice if it wasn't so damn windy. That was a park. Damn it. Oh, I just passed the place where I was supposed to be. Oh, stop sign here. Well, we're going through it. Whatever. That was very deceiving, that stop sign, because there was a sign for a traffic light and then they shove a stop sign in your way. It is really, really cold out here. It's weird, it's because yesterday it was like 95 degrees out, like I was dying. Memories. It's a trip down memory lane over here. So I wanted to update you guys on the whole stunt riding that's going on with me. So I have been practicing. The first time I went out, for some odd reason my bike decided it just wanted to shut off on me. Couldn't get it back started. Took it home. I ended up parking the bike at home, and it's just like, you know what, I'll deal with it tomorrow. So the following morning I went out there and I looked, and a couple of the plugs they looked like they were loose, like they came loose. I plugged them back in, like tightened them up. Lo and behold, the bike started right up. But I'm not gonna lie to you guys, the reason why I haven't really been updated too much about it is because I want to make kind of like I guess a montage video. I don't know, whatever. It's basically me learning how to wheelie. What I want to do is I want to take all the clips of me practicing from day one to whenever I can, not so much master it, but I kind of understand how to control it a little bit better and whatnot. And I want to make one long video just showing that stuff because I want to show you guys progression. So I kind of want to just give you guys a full-on video of everything. And I mean, I hate to say it, but there's probably going to be crashes in there as well. And I got to learn the bike too. So I think like the first couple sessions are just going to be trying to learn the bike and understand what pops it up, like what RPMs and whatnot. I think I'm going the wrong way. What else is new? Gotta end up lost in every video, right? Nope. We're not where we need to be. I swear I'm always... What is that? A fucking horse? That is a big dog. Just gonna go ahead and coast on down this hill. Just coasting on down. I probably look like an idiot. Making me stop. Just gonna go down this whole hill like this. Figure out where you want to go, bro. Struggle, struggle, struggle. Me up off the seat. Relax. Gas, gas, gas. Where's my gas? I need to take my helmet off too. My ears are itching. Badly. Oh, I may ride without them. Damn. $3.79 for gas. And San Francisco's still getting their money. Let's go through downtown. Yes, I just did that twice. But anywho, I'm thinking about creating merch. It's one of the other things I really want to quickly mention. I'm gonna go into a little more detail next video. Right now, it's basic that I'm looking at. I may just go through Teespring. It's a little more convenient for me for what I'm actually doing, especially since, you know, I won't be around for a little bit. I wonder what's down here. I guess this is a ferry. Sorry, but I'm like hitting you guys with a lot of stops right now, aren't I? Hey, between you guys and me, I'm a sucker for blondes. Someone put a mask on him. I gotta see that. I gotta go up close to that. My man's Gandhi has a mask on. Oh, whoever did that's genius. Alright, we're gonna continue. I'm getting out of here, I promise. Yeah! Yeah, figured I wasn't gonna get a green. What the f, man? Can we get a green light over here? That's the second time. F this shit, man. But I guess going back to, oh god, what was I saying? The merch. So I think I'm just gonna keep it to Teespring, like I said. Have a couple little designs, hoodies, t-shirts, stuff like that. I am looking for an artist. If you guys are or know of any artists, please reach out to me. DM me on Instagram. I'm gonna respond there. The comments I do see, but after a while, I really don't see them too often. Bumps. Had about 3 or 4 artists hit me up. But before they showed me the design, they were already asking for money. I'm like, well, how? I'm not gonna pay you if I don't like it. I mean, I can't pay for something I haven't seen yet. My favorite part. Oh god, this video is gonna really suck. Again, I'm just trying to test everything out and see how I kind of like this, the way the camera's set up, the way the mic is set up again, with 2 actual windsocks. But with that, I'm gonna go ahead and conclude today's video. Again, I apologize if it's short or if it's just blah. Hopefully you guys made it to the end. What I should have said in the beginning was, as soon as you press play on this video, hit the like button. I thank you guys so much for watching. If you are new to the channel, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell so you guys are aware when I upload a new video. So we'll go over to my second channel. This is all car stuff, so if you guys are into cars as well, go and see a couple of my builds that I'm doing right now. Spoiler alert, you get to see my face. Yuck. But as always, I need y'all to stay hungry, stay humble, stay motivated, all of your life goals. Always remember, success is not an overnight thing. You guys gotta work your ass off for it. Boy Machine here, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Later.
I swear to God, man, I'ma make it soon. Silence all the haters as they see us making moves. I do what I want, so I got nothing to prove. Staying motivated, teaching others what to do. I'm staying focused, my mind is open. They start to notice that I'm in motion.